Truly wealthy people develop the habit of getting rich slow rather than get rich quick. Brian Tracy. Having the right mindset is the foundation for prosperity. When you think with a rich mind, you set yourself up for financial gain for years to come. A rich mind comes from having a millionaire mindset. This means you are spending less, making wise investments, and looking for ways to improve your financial standing with minimum risk. By following these 5 steps, you'll be able to develop a rich mindset and watch your success grow. The first step in developing a rich mind is to understand what rich means to you and begin to set your goals. While everyone wants to become a millionaire overnight, many won't make it even halfway without some planning. Define your realistic financial goals and how you will track and measure your success. It makes it easy to see progress when you look out a few years. Ask yourself, where do I want to be in 5 years? Then ask, what will I need to do to get there? Be sure to start with a more attainable goal. If you end up reaching that goal sooner than you imagined, set a bigger goal. To help figure out how to reach your financial goals, create a budget. This will allow you to see your expenses clearly and determine what is tangible for you and what areas you should cut back on. Seeing your numbers on paper will allow you to identify what needs to be managed, increased, or removed. Once you've gotten a handle on your budget, the second step is to plan to invest in your financial future. How will you reach the goals you set for yourself? Start with research. Did you know that wealthy people spend much more time thinking about their finances than the average person? The average adult spends 2 to 3 hours each month studying and thinking about their money, usually when they are paying bills. The average self-made millionaire, by contrast, spends 20 to 30 hours per month thinking, studying, and planning their finances. Use some of your free time to research your investment opportunities. With investments, your hard-earned money will be working for you and helping you generate wealth. There is always a risk to investing, which is why it is extremely important to do the research and understand what your money is going towards. Also, remember that there are, and always will be, many opportunities to invest. A man once said, investments are like buses. There will always be another one coming along. The third step to having a rich mindset is to stay driven and never stop. You've done your research, set your goals, and created an actionable plan. So now it's time to implement it. Stay motivated in achieving your goals. Focus on making sure your daily choices align with the plans you've made for yourself. Take care of yourself and your finances by developing good habits. If you have questions about financial habits, speak directly with a financial advisor that can help create a personalized plan for you. You also must achieve financial independence. To do so, there are some important habits you should have in place to protect your assets, such as purchasing the right risk insurance and protecting your estate from unnecessary taxes and frivolous lawsuits. The rich mindset also calls for negotiating and never settling for less than you deserve. It's important to know your worth and expect it. This way, you can make sure your hard-earned money is valued and not wasted. The next step is to always stay positive. You attract what you put out. It is important to think and speak about money in a positive light because that is the type of energy you are putting out. If you consider the law of attraction, you will attract what you want if you think highly of them. If you have a negative mindset, you will notice that things rarely ever go your way. That's because you are attracting negative energy. When you let go of that and allow yourself to believe you deserve wealth and security through money, you will see money flow into your life. You can do this by saying positive affirmations daily, something specific like, I will save $10,000 this year. You will establish a more positive relationship with money by reminding and motivating yourself to achieve your financial goals. The last, final step to have a rich mindset is to be patient. Remember, money does not grow on trees, and you will not become a millionaire overnight. It takes time and commitment to build your wealth. Every dollar that you save, properly invest, and protect can grow 5 to 10% each year. As your money grows, it compounds on itself and grows even more. On average, it takes a millionaire 22 years to accumulate $1 million from the time he gets serious about his financial life. If you're interested in developing a rich mindset, you should begin with goal setting. Check out Brian Tracy's free 14-step goal setting guide to start you off right and give you the keys to success. Now the question today is this: What are some financial goals you set for yourself, and how do you work to achieve them? Leave a comment below, and Brian will be sure to follow up with you. Thanks for watching, and remember, as Brian always says, if you want to change your future, take action and take action now.